Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm gonna go over LeadsLeap. It's gonna be a full tutorial, all right, and I'm gonna show you exactly what you could do with this marketing system in the box. Okay, so the first aspect of it, I'm gonna go over the advertising portion. Okay, so there's post credit ads, that's free. There's post pro ads. You do have to upgrade for that, but it's still very affordable. So I'm going to go over that first. So we're going to click on advertising and then post credit ads. So this is just pretty much where you're just going to put in your URL, okay? And you're going to put in a catchy title, and then you're going to put in your ad text and then the image, okay? And then all you have to do is serve 10 ads per day, and that doesn't take you more than about 5 minutes or so. Right, and then the pro ads, I am a pro member, and you do get paid, I believe, 75% commission, I believe, with that. And then so what you're gonna do here is the same exact thing, but it's just set it and forget it. All right, and then you're gonna choose your category, and then you're just gonna leave it like that. So you also have your social reviews. You get any part of any program that you're a part of, you could do reviews on them. You could do your top recommendations. You have a link tracker. You have you have rotators, and you have ad bars as well too. Okay, and then they have a great email marketing system, which I'm gonna do a video on how exactly ins and outs of email marketing as well too. You have your list manager, you have your email series, okay, and then you have you could send out a broadcast to your list. You could send out a blog to broadcast, and YouTube to broadcast as well too. Okay, and then you also have your page manager as well too. So all you have to do is click on that, and I do have different pages here, and all you have to do is click on add new campaign and put in the name of your business or whatever you want to name it, and then add new. Okay, and to get share codes, all you have to do is just click here, and then here's your share code. Okay, that's just a quick example. All right, now they do have hosting services, image hosting services as well too, and PDF hosting services. You can make your own PDF file. Okay, so the monetization of this, you have your daily active bonus, your credit encashment, PPC earnings. You could pretty much put like ad bars on your websites as well too, and then you could earn from that. I haven't really used it much. Really don't see a need for that for me. And then your earnings, I haven't really been promoting this just on YouTube, and I only have a few videos up. But you see, it is possible to make commissions on that. And then you have your affiliate links here under affiliate, and then you have your affiliate traffic stats as well too. All right. Now, if you are ready to join LeadsLeap and ready to be a part of the program, go ahead and click the link below to get started. Have a good one.